अरे साला क्या यार, छुट्टियां मिल क्या। हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून, नमस्कार, गुड डे. दिस इज इंजीनियर सूरज सिंह from Bharat, India, on this day, September 27th, 2020, and Corona, COVID-19, reaching very critical stage in Bharat. Whatever news we are getting is only partial news, not correct news, right news. Here today, for government information, it's about 60 lakhs, 6 million cases on record, and they are showing about 86, 87,000 daily, and last week they were showing 90, 95, 97. A game of numbers, you can say, just to keep people happy that it is fallen. But fact is far away. Fact remains far away because people do not calculate mathematically. They just read news and leave that. I have been I have been on track to check percentages of in positive cases that come out of all tests being conducted. Even if you slow down testing, it doesn't mean you can avoid problem. Problem can be avoided only by certain actions which government has failed to take. Government is a big player. They are taking like cricket or football this COVID-19. Unfortunate 8.4%, 8.5%, 8.3% are on cards which are infected cases, maybe more, and we are 130 crore people. If you take 100 crore even, it should be 8 crores or more, can say, in range of 8 to 9 crores must have been infected if all tests are conducted today. यदि सारे टेस्ट आज हम कंडक्ट कर लें, जो फिगर्स आ रही हैं परसेंटेजेस इन्फेक्शंस की, मेरा ये एस्टीमेट है कि आज देश के अंदर 8 साढ़े 8 करोड़ लोग इस बीमारी से, इस कोविड इन्फेक्शन से अफेक्टेड हैं. लेकिन बताया यही जाएगा इतने लोग डिस्चार्ज हो गए, ये हो गए ताकि पब्लिक शांत रहे. सच तो ये है कि अब हम कुछ दिनों में वी शैल बी नंबर 1, अमेरिका शैल बिकम नंबर 2. So we are leaders in COVID-19 now. It's an insult or respect, you decide yourself. If you consider this a respect, honor, that we are happy about this, it's fine. It's your life. And if you think no, this is utter nonsense. This insult to 130 crore people that they live in a country where we are number 1. We are living behind America. We are living behind Brazil. And there is no one in our government to think, no one, including Prime Minister and President, to think about this. Unfortunately, they are busy in irrelevant issues. They are not thinking about any national issue. Modi is more interested in UN reshuffling. He is not interested in solving problems in this country. I am not making any political statement, but this is fact that we are more interested in publicizing ourselves. Government is interested in something which we do not know even. So I would say, if this stage of COVID-19 continues, 8.4% may even get to 12% in few days. or even 16-15% some of the days. So we have to be ready to face 10 to 15 crore infections, 100 to 150 million, or say 10 to 50 crores, sorry, 10 to 15 crore infections, 150 million infections in coming times. Now it is about 85 to 90 million cases. And what they say discharge, it's only discharge. Remember, it's not recovery. There's a confusion among people, and that's why there is a carelessness degree. People think you have got recovered. Not a single case has been on record throughout the world that one has recovered from this disease, because there is no treatment at all till now. Discharge means only that your levels of immunity have been augmented, upgraded, and you can live with these antibodies, but it does not mean that this is permanent solution. It applies only for 1 month or 2 months depending on immunity of each person, and then this recedes. So you get back to same level of energy as you had at time of infection. जो सोचते हैं कि डिस्चार्ज मिल गया है और हम ठीक हो गए हैं, वो इस गलत फहमी में ना रहें, क्योंकि गलत फहमी का इलाज नहीं होता है, समझदारी से होता है। कोई आज तक ठीक नहीं है कोविड से। दुनिया के अंदर साइंटिस्ट को जब पता नहीं है, ये डॉक्टर्स को पता नहीं है ये बीमारी की क्या रास्ता है, क्या रूट है, you cannot say that somebody has recovered. And moreover, this is, you can say, like something unknown. As I said before many times, size of one particle is 0.000254 millimeter, which means if you take dust particle that we call clay in our language, chikne mitti dry particle, that is 0.002 millimeter, and this is 1/10 of that. You just think, your dust can enter your eyes when it is speedy wind. It can enter your window, annular space. It can enter your eyes as well as your AC. It can come to your floor. So that particle, which is so small, you can say it can't even be identified by electron microscope. So on what basis when one be sure that we are safe? We are not at all safe. You see a statement made by England people that we are on a downslope and accelerating. See joke. हम पहाड़ी से नीचे उतर रहे हैं ट्रक को लेकर, लॉरी को लेकर, और स्पीड बढ़ा रहे हैं। हम सोचते हैं कि ट्रक अपने आप रुक जाएगा, हम ब्रेक लगा देंगे। It's taunting statement by one politician, and we are also saying we are after all copy of British, and now British have become foolish people. They do not know what to do. Their minds have broken. Minds of America have broken. Minds of Europe have broken. Those who used to claim we are safe, now they are again infected and being infected and being infected. So we people of this country should understand. We may not be very well highly educated, but we understand where is the problem. Purpose of this video is not to scare anybody, but just to tell you fact that even if someone is discharged, it doesn't mean you are free from this disease. You have to keep up. You have to take all precautionary measures, whatever is required. For example, now temperature is down. It's thriving temperature, proliferating temperature for this virus. Temperature is early morning too low, and even daytime it's not that much. And in addition to that, humidity percentages. So we have to be very careful This complete complex is supportive of proliferation of this COVID-19. Analysis has to be done. We do not, being engineers, even we don't think. Unfortunate is that it's very small particle, and when it is in your body, an electron microscope cannot identify it. This means nothing has gone out of body. When it entered your body, still it is in your body, so it may reactivate itself whatever time. Even it not ask you when I am reactivating. There have been cases that it has impacted upon heart somewhere in England. It has impacted upon many other parts. It has impacted even in mind. So you cannot say it is free to affect, in fact, whatever part of body it likes so to do. It does not need your visa. It does not need any permission from government because it is free to do so. So why I am saying is, don't take it otherwise that I am speaking against government. Yes, I am speaking against government of worlds, not our government alone. I am speaking against all governments because governments are only interested in their political positions. England, such an efficient country, we used to think about, has crumbled itself. America has crumbled itself. America could not understand till now. We used to say, oh, what a health service in America, what is the service in America? What happened to that? Same thing, so England is very good in services of health. What happened to that? All complete ill information had, and we have to avoid that ill information. गलत फहमियों के शिकार नहीं बनना है. गलत फहमियों से कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. इसलिए मेरा इतना कहना है. आप देखिए, यू कैन सी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन जीसीसी कंट्रीज, आबू धाबी, दुबई, कतार, कुवैत, बहरीन, Saudia, Jeddah, etc., Oman. It's coming back and back and back and back. Even they have done everything. They have taken all attempts. They have attempted everything to apply onto those people. Yet, it's not stopping itself because we do not know what is root. And in our country, we are also unfortunate that people are not too serious to adopt to precautionary measures, preventive measures. Even educated class, highly profiled educated class, they are not too concerned, and no one can then keep safe in such an environment. I am speaking little slow because I am not well, I am still bedridden and shall remain so for 2-3 months. Completely bedridden because of my health. I'll issue another talk in that, not in this. So my suggestion, my advice to fellow Bharatvasis is that don't be misled by information provided by government of this country. This is very serious matter. It's going to be out of our control if we do not take precautionary measures at this stage. And if you cannot take precautionary measures, you want to enjoy life. So I have no answer to that. If you do not want to restrict yourself to something like that. अंग्रेज ने, जॉनसन ने भी कहा था लोगों को, जाओ एंजॉय करो. एंजॉय ऐसा हुआ कि आज उनसे संभल नहीं रहा है. और वही चीज़ें ट्रम्प जिसको मैं कहता हूँ माइंडलेस पर्सन, उसने भी ऐसे ही कुछ लोगों के साथ कहा. और आज देख लो वहाँ के हालात क्या हैं. और हमारे वाले ने तालियां बजवाई, ढोलक बजवाई, घंटियां बजवाई, पागलपन सारा किया, साइंटिफिक बात एक भी नहीं की. और हालात आपके सामने हैं. भक्तों को बुरा लगता है लगे, सरकार को बुरा लगता है लगे, जिसको बुरा लगता है लगे. ये बात सरकार की नहीं है, भक्तों की नहीं है, ये बात कि भारत की जनता की बात है. बुरा लगने वाले को लगता रहे मेरी भला से, जो सच्चाई है बोलनी पड़ेगी। सरकार ने ऐसा कोई काम नहीं किया इसकी तारीफ की जाए। टेस्ट भी डाउन कर दिए, देखिए अब तक आधे पब्लिक के तो हो जाने चाहिए थे लेकिन नहीं हो गए, और कम कर दिए ताकि डाटा कम हो जाए। लेकिन मेरा आपको निवेदन है, आप पढ़ लीजिए साइट पे जाके, पिछले हर दिन का आप एवरेज निकाल लीजिए, कितने परसेंट टेस्ट के बाद कितना आ रहा है, जितने टोटल टेस्ट अब तक हुए हैं उसमें कितना परसेंट आ रहा है। बड़ा आसान है निकालना। जितने इन्फेक्शन केसेस हैं उसको भाग कीजिए, डिवाइड कीजिए, टोटल टेस्ट कितने हुए हैं और 100 से मल्टीप्लाई कीजिए, आपको 8 पॉइंट समथिंग मिल जाएगा। और वही एक रेगुलर फिगर है, उसमें मैं नहीं समझता ज़्यादा वेरिएशन आ रही है। इसका मतलब यही है कि आज अगर हम आज सारे टेस्ट कंडक्ट कर लें तो हमारे देश में 8.4 करोड़ व्यक्तियों को कोविड है। ये बात आपको बुरी तो लगेगी, लेकिन मेरे हाथ में तो नहीं है, मैं अपनी तरफ से तो नहीं बता रहा हूँ। सच तो ये है कि ये वास्तविकता है, समझना चाहिए। जो कैलकुलेशन समझते हैं और ख़ास तौर से इंजीनियर्स लोग, मैथमेटिशियंस लोग, अगर वो छुपाएंगे, थरथराएंगे, काँपेंगे तो भाई काँपने से कोई इलाज नहीं होगा। सच्चाई तो छुपा नहीं सकते आप, छुपाएंगे तो अपना नुकसान करेंगे। COVID-19 is in this country lifting itself very rapidly, and there is no one to stop it. There are many other problems, farmers' problems, this problem and that problem. We are not talking about that, but this is exclusively from national and international interest. People must take very hot water, boiled water immediately. They should not use AC very well, sometimes rarely, and that also with mask. Do not use bathroom without the mask except bathing. When you use WC, use mask. When you use toilet, use mask. Do not remove mask from your face even you are in home, because this is airborne, this is waterborne, and also this is person to person borne. There are all possibilities that yes, it can also enter through your eyes. Do remember, that's of course one way. If it enters your eyes, it can affect very badly. It will not hurt someone else because eyes cannot send virus to someone else. Nose can send, mouth can send. This is difference only, so be careful. अगर आप केयरफुल रहेंगे, लापरवाही नहीं बरतेंगे। मेरा तो कहीं से झगड़ा हो चुका है इस बात पे, क्या करूं, करना पड़ता है। I have to fight with people because it's question of public safety. Even when I was in a hospital, I disputed with many visitors, why you are coming here without masks. There is no question, come with mask, take precautionary measures, because people are not well educated. They have not been taught proper precautionary measures. No one is there to tell them what's plus and what's minus of this. That's why it's happening. So my only objective of this video after a long gap being that is very critical stage in Bharat, very critical stage. Though I was not very healthy to share with you, but I said no, at least I should share something for 5-10 minutes, 15 minutes. At least if somebody takes interest in this, it's okay, and particularly to those middle and poor class people who do not care about this because they are not well informed, is happening. So my dear colleagues, my dear fellow Indians, Bharatvasis, this message is for you. ये मेरा आवाज़ आपके लिए है, और ये वीडियो समझाने के लिए जो मैं रोज़ देख रहा हूँ। करीब 60 लाख केस गवर्नमेंट डिक्लेयर कर चुकी है, और ये 60 लाख इस महीने के अंत तक 80 लाख भी होंगे। मेरा हिसाब से 80-85 लाख इस महीने के अंत में हो जाएंगे, अक्टूबर के अंत में, और 90 लाख भी हो सकते हैं, और नवंबर के एंड में 1 करोड़। इस तरह ये बढ़ते बढ़ते आप देख लीजिए, गवर्नमेंट फेल, सरकार फेल, रस सब फेल। आत्मनिर्भरता के नाम पे छोड़ दिया गया पब्लिक को। अपने आप करो जो करना है, मरते हो मरो, जीना है जीनो, हमको क्या लेना है आपसे। जब वोट आएगा बस वोट दे देना, इतना ही मतलब होता है सरकार का जनता के रिलेशन का। बाकी आप आत्मनिर्भर बनिए, और आत्मनिर्भरता ये कि सरकार के मुंह को मत ताकिए, अपने आप जो कर सकते करिए। बहुत से लोग मुझसे खुंदक खा रहे हैं, खाते रहें, बड़े से बड़े और छोटे से छोटे। खुंदक से मैं किसी की डरता नहीं, जो होना है हो जाएगा। I least bother about those people who just keep polishing prime minister shoes. I least bother about them. They may be bhakts, or they may be high profile engineers or doctors. I don't care about them, because our job is not to polish prime minister shoes. Our job is to think about nation and public. I am not born for prime minister. I am born for world people. I am born for country's people. I am not born from government. I'm not born for opposition as well. That's my approach. So I would again request you, take care of yourself. You cannot, nobody can take your care. So with this, thank you very much. I am closing this now. Hope you understand what I said. Otherwise, it's up to you. मर्जी आपकी, ज़िंदगी आपकी, क्या चाहते हैं आप, आपको देखना है। ज़िंदगी के बाकी हिस्से में आपको क्या करना है, आपको देखना है। धन्यवाद, थैंक यू, सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्कार, वणक्कम, and whatever. I shall see you later on. Thanks a lot indeed. I shall see you later on. Okay, dear friends, I'm now putting this off and hope you're fine.